Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Vivo Y16, and now I can show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. So firstly, remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which I no longer use. So don't use a pin to remove your SIM card, only plastic objects. And as you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, you need to take the brush in your hand and insert the one part of the brush into the connector, then just try to pry the dirt out. And that's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.